Today we're comparing two powerful cleaning machines designed to take the work out of home cleaning: the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, AV2610WA, and the Roborock Qrevo Series QV35A. Both combine high suction, smart mapping, and mopping technology, but they do it in their own ways. Let's begin with Shark's innovative approach. The Shark AV2610WA brings incredible suction power and sonic mopping that scrubs hard floors up to 100 times per minute. It's designed to tackle both carpets and hard floors with ease, pulling up stubborn debris, dust, and pet hair. Its matrix clean system uses a precision grid pattern to make multiple passes, ensuring no spots are missed. For edge cleaning, Shark's Clean Edge Detect technology uses blasts of air to push debris out of corners for up to 50% better edge cleaning performance. One of the standout features of this Shark model is convenience. It not only empties itself but also holds up to 60 days of debris in a bagless base, eliminating the need to buy replacement bags. With true HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen seal, it traps 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns, ideal for allergy-sensitive homes. The brush roll is self-cleaning and engineered to remove hair wraps automatically, a must-have for pet owners. When the battery runs low, Shark's recharge and resume function ensures it picks up exactly where it left off. Add the ability to deep clean stuck-on stains using Matrix Mop mode through the app, and you have a robot that doesn't just clean, it thinks ahead. And you have a robot that doesn't just clean, it thinks ahead. Now let's look at the Roborock Qrevo Series QV35A, a powerhouse built with precision and intelligence. With a staggering 8,000 pascal of HyperForce suction, it goes deep into carpets, rugs, and corners, lifting embedded dirt effortlessly. The all-in-one docking station redefines automation. It empties dust into a 2.7-liter sealed bag lasting up to 7 weeks, refills the water tank automatically, washes the mopping pads, and even dries them to prevent odor. That's true hands-free maintenance. Its dual spinning mops rotate at 200 RPM and can lift up to 10 millimeters, allowing seamless transitions between tile, wood, and low-pile carpets. The 30 adjustable water levels adapt to any surface, ensuring the perfect balance between cleaning power and floor protection. Roborock takes navigation and intelligence to another level. Its PreciSense LiDAR mapping scans 360 degrees, creating detailed maps for up to 4 floors, while Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance helps it steer clear of cords, furniture, and tight spaces. It's truly smart, identifying no-go zones and adapting to every home's layout. The upgraded tangle-free brush system prevents hair buildup, making it ideal for pet-friendly households. And through the Roborock app, users can set custom cleaning routes, schedules, and even voice control commands. Whether controlled from a smartphone, smartwatch, or smart assistant, the QV35A is designed to deliver convenience and control at every level. In the end, both models shine in their own ways. The Shark AV2610WA excels with its bagless design, sonic mopping, and allergen-sealed system, perfect for users who want a powerful cleaner that's easy to maintain. Meanwhile, the Roborock QV35A stands out for its intelligent automation, stronger suction, and all-in-one dock that truly minimizes manual effort. Whether you value low maintenance or deep, intelligent cleaning, both of these robotic vacuums prove that smart home cleaning has never been more advanced or more effortless.